Hi, guys. Welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today, we're going to learn one way to collect payment for unpaid orders on your Wix site by sending a pay link to those customers. Here's how you can do it. So, on your site's dashboard, go to Sales and then go to Orders. On this page, look for the unpaid order you want to work on and then click on it. On this page, click on Collect Payment and then select Charge with Pay Link. A pop-up window will appear. The subtotal before tip will remain as is. If you want them to offer you a tip, you can select from the preset percentages or amounts over here, or you can include a custom amount if you want to. And if you want to manage tip distribution for your staff, you can set that up when you click on this link. And if you want to continue without tip, you can also do that. It all depends on you. Once you proceed, another window will open. And here you'll be able to see the link name, the price, as well as the description. These are editable, but make sure to put true information here according to your customer's order. For additional options, click on Open Settings here, and here you can set an expiration date for your pay link. And if you do that, select the date you'd like it to expire. And sometimes, depending on the kind of site you have and your products, you can also enable Mark as Shippable Order. So you can define shipping methods and rates. You will see a preview of your pay link here on the right. Make sure to review everything to ensure that there are no mistakes. And once it's all good, click on Create Pay Link over here and share your pay link using the available options Wix will give you. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.